We can start assembling this thing and putting it back together, make it look like something again.
Wild Mustangs, the porno flicks, all my homies in the county and sell glass.